and girls, welcome to my class. Nice to see you today. Look at this. I have a picture. What is this? Yes, it's a cat. Yesterday I painted this cat. So painted is the past tense, right? Today we're going to learn how to use the past simple tense. First of all, we're going to look at the timeline. Here we see now. Everything before now is the past. Yes. And first of all, we're going to learn the positive sentences. The base form of worked is to work. So we can see all these subjects. We just need to use one word, worked. You don't need to change it. I worked, read after me. You worked, we worked, they worked, he worked, she worked, and it worked. Great. Now think about how to make them negative. Look, we use the helping verb didn't. Didn't is the contraction of did not. I didn't work. Now read after me. You didn't work. We didn't work. They didn't work. He didn't work. She didn't work. It didn't work. Yes, that's right. And now we're going to make them into questions. Did I work? So we use the same helping verb, right? Did. And we need to put did first. Did I? Did you work? Did we work? Now it's your turn. Did they work? Did he work? Did she work? Did you work? And we can find that in the positive sentences, we use the past tense, worked, right? But in negative and question, we come back to the base form, work, work. Because we have the helping verb, didn't. Yes, you found that. So we're going to practice what we have learned today. First of all, we're going to change the present simple tense into past simple. I played tennis. I played. You need to add ed, right? I work at home. I worked. Work, worked. That's right. And then look at these sentences. We're going to change the positive into negative. It rained. It didn't rain. That's right. He called. He didn't call. Got it? Now we're going to ask a question. She watched TV. Yes. Did she watch TV? How about the last one? They washed the dishes. Did they wash the dishes? Great job. So do you have any questions? Good job. So we need to practice more after class. So much for today's class. See you next time. Bye-bye.